In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Trello. Templates are a simple way to save time by turning a well-structured Trello card into a reusable starting point. If you find yourself creating the same kind of card over and over, like onboarding tasks, content briefs, or project checklists, this will make your workflow faster and more consistent. Start by opening the card you want to turn into a template. This should be a card that already has the elements you want to repeat, such as a clear title, description, checklists, labels, due dates, attachments, and any helpful notes. Click the card to open its back. The card back is where you see all the details and actions, and that's where we'll make the change. Choosing a clean, well-organized card here ensures that every new card created from it will follow the same structure. On the right side of the card back, look for the menu. This is the panel that includes actions like Move, Copy, and Archive. In that same area, click Make Template. If you don't see the option, make sure you have permission to edit the board. Once you click it, consider updating the card's title to something clear and recognizable, like including the word template, so your teammates know exactly what it's for. You'll notice the card back updates immediately. A template icon and a badge appear, confirming that this card is now a template. From now on, treat it as your master version. Keep it tidy. Avoid checking off items on its checklists, and leave fields like members or due dates blank unless you want those to carry over every time. To use the template, you have two easy options. On the back of the template card, click Create Card from Templates. Trello will create a new, regular card with all the same structure and content. Alternatively, find the template icon at the bottom of any list on your board and click it to quickly start a card right where you need it. Once the new card is created, update the title, assign members, adjust dates, and customize details to fit the specific task or project. This approach keeps your template clean while giving each new card exactly what it needs. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing for more clear, practical how-tos. Let us know in the comments what you think and if there's anything we can do to improve future videos.